here's how to do some simple rose quartz nails. So first you're going to put a base color of Maya's Cheeks onto your nails and cure that. Then you're going to apply a thin coat of champagne toast and you're going to leave that uncured. You're going to use a small brush and dip it into your lovey-dovey white polish, and you'll use that small brush to just swipe right through the wet champagne toast polish. You're just going to give it a vein like a marble would have, and you'll just use your brush to just slide it right through that wet champagne toast. The more you mix it around in the champagne toast, the more watered down the color will get. So if you want to use more white polish in some of the spots so that you get a more bold line, then you can do that and just go until you get the look that you are going for. Make sure that you don't apply too much polish on the nail so that the coat of polish is too thick. That could cause lifting or peeling, so just make sure that you limit the amount that you're putting into the champagne toast. Cure that under your LED lamp and you've got beautiful rose quartz nails. Thanks for watching.